Pagbuelta netong si Coach Tim sa isang panayam matapos nga silang matalo dito sa Game 1 ng kanilang serye kalaban ng San Miguel. Yan matapos mang i-like ang video na ito, mag-subscribe sa ating channel at pakidamay na rin ang ating opisyal na Facebook page. Pero bago natin simulan, alam mo ba ngayon mas madali nang maglaro at manalo dito sa 1xBet? Especially na pwede ka nang mag-cash in at mag-cash out through GCash. Kaya naman i-click lamang etong link na nasa comment section ng ating video at gamitin ang promo code na BGS2 upang makasali. Isama pa natin na pwede mo na rin i-download etong kanilang official app para sa mas malalaking papremyo na nag-aantay sa'yo. 2 days ago nga mga bulero, maraming NBA fans ang paniguradong umantabay dito sa naganap na laban ng Spurs kontra 76ers. Especially na maliban sa ito ang kanilang unang bakbakan ngayong taon, sa labang ito rin naganap ang unang beses na paghaharap netong si Wemby at Embiid. Kung saan sa kabilangan ng magandang simula galing rito sa kampo ni Coach Greg, nagawa pa rin ng Philadelphia na kontrolin ang nasabing laban, especially sa huling 2 quarter. Matapos nga nilang tapusin ang tapatan na lamang ng 10 puntos after pangunahan ni Embiid ang Sixers with 70 points, 18 big rebounds at 5 assists.
Feels good. I mean, credit to all these guys. Extremely unselfish people. I got, like I said, selfish teammates, and that just got me the ball, and I was hot, and that made sure that they put me in the best position. Credit to the coaching staff too. So, I'm just around amazing people.
Tonight, Wemby comes in here. How is it different to prepare for Joker than prepare for Wemby?
Man, that dude is something else. Obviously, he got all the talent in the world, and he's amazing. So he had a great game today. He's gonna be, he has a bright future.
Samantala sa kabilang banda, kahapon nga mga bulero, alam naman natin na opisyal lang nagsimula itong unang araw ng semifinals des Commissioner's Cup. Kung saan dyan, maliban sa Magnolia, kabilang din itong San Miguel sa unang 2 koponan na nakatikim ng panalo after ng kanilang dikit na laban kontra Barangay. Kaya naman matapos ang pagkatalo, bahagyang bumuelta itong si Tim sa isang panayam.
Well, we tried to stay with them, and they made we stayed with them, but they made the plays down the stretch, and we didn't make the plays down the stretch, and basically that was the game. We're going to look at the video and see what needs to be adjusted. I liked our effort tonight. We didn't play a sharp game. We can play sharper than that. Obviously, San Miguel can play sharper than that as well. But I just like the way our guys stuck in the game, despite not playing up to what we felt was up to par, and gave ourselves a chance to win, but came up short. But we just got to pay a little bit more attention to detail if we're going to try to find a way to beat this team.